My name is Rupa. I run a tango school in Bangalore called Bangalore Tango Academy.
Tango is more like a culture than really a dance. So embracing everybody and accepting each other.
Once I started dancing tango, I understood that it's not just about the dance, but also about the state of mind. It feels very meditative.
It's been great experience for someone who is not a natural dancer.
So what currently the tango is doing that it's a great step for them?
I had no experience in any previous dance form before this, but Rupa kind of made it very easy for someone who's not familiar with dance to kind of come into dancing a partner dance form, especially also.
It's concentrating more on how you feel and not how you look. Book your tango classes at Bangalore Tango Academy.